Iron. Work. Ironwork. Ironwork. Decorative or structural objects made from iron. Fences, gates, railings. Velvet. Worm. Velvet worm. Velvet worm. An ancient soft-bodied creature that shoots sticky slime to trap prey. Glamorous assassin. Money. Tree. Money tree. Money tree. A popular houseplant believed to bring financial luck. Spoiler, it doesn't pay bills. Butter. Knife. Butter knife. Butter knife. A blunt knife for spreading butter. The least threatening knife in existence. Shark. Cactus. Shark cactus. Shark cactus. Saw. Horse. Sawhorse. Sawhorse. A wooden frame that holds lumber while you cut it. No horse involved. Ice. Pick. Ice pick. Ice pick. A sharp tool for breaking ice, also the weapon of choice in classic crime films. Wild. Goose. Wild goose. Wild goose. A wild goose that lives freely. Cook. Book. Cookbook. Cookbook. A book full of recipes, used by 90% of people who buy it exactly once. Pickle. Ball. Pickleball. Pickleball. A fast-growing racket sport combining tennis, badminton, and ping pong. Nothing to do with pickles. Fish. Net. Fish net.
Gotta finish this now! Type it faster! Almost!
Fish net. A net for catching fish, or a mesh fabric used in fashion. Bread. Winner. Breadwinner. Breadwinner. The person who earns the family income, winning bread by going to work, not a bakery. Tree. Frog. Tree frog. Tree frog. A frog that lives in trees with sticky toe pads, tiny climber, huge personality. Food. Coma. Food coma. Food coma. The drowsy, can't move feeling after eating too much, technically called postprandial somnolence. Tape. Worm. Tapeworm. Tapeworm. A flat parasitic worm that lives inside your gut. Long, flat, and absolutely uninvited. Dog. Sled. Dog sled. Dog sled. A sled pulled by dogs across snow. The original Uber, but cuter and slower. Air. Craft. Aircraft. Aircraft. Any vehicle that flies, from planes to helicopters to hot air balloons. Head. Gear. Headgear. Headgear. Any protective or decorative item worn on the head. Helmets, hats, crowns, all qualify. Bear. Grass. Bear grass. Bear grass. A tall flowering plant in the lily family. Bears do eat it, so the name is surprisingly accurate. Sick. Bag. Sick bag. Sick bag. The paper bag on airplanes for when your stomach disagrees with turbulence. Space. Ship. Spaceship. Spaceship. A vehicle designed for space travel. The most literal compound word that still sounds incredible. Elephant. Fish. Elephantfish. Elephantfish. A deep-sea fish with a long, trunk-like snout. Nature took the joke too far.